Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
When you cook zucchini, you may try hard to cook those noodles until they're no longer crunchy. When you squeeze the zucchini, it should be firm. If you're using an overripe zucchini, the noodles will come out too soft and break up once they hit the heat point. 26 April 2016.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Zucchini is never going to taste like pasta. It isn't supposed to taste like pasta. It is intended to be a pasta substitute for people who don't want to eat carbs, but like the idea of eating a bowl of pasta.
Take our lead.
You might not expect zucchini noodles, or zoodles as they're lovingly called, to taste like pasta, but they kind of do in the way that they don't have a strong flavor. Instead of contributing a specific taste, they absorb the flavors of the sauces and ingredients they're mixed with.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Don't overcook the noodles, otherwise, they'll get soggy. I like mine to have a slight crunch, sort of like al dente pasta. After spiralizing your zucchini noodles, sprinkle with a bit of salt and let them sit in a colander for 10 minutes. It'll help get rid of some of the excess moisture. 24 March 2016.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.